Welcome to Wiki Journal. In this tutorial, we will show you how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. First, we will show you how to add a multiple photos, and then we will delete a one photo from all these. So select any of the random photos from your gallery. Let I pick up the fourth picture from my gallery and then upload it on Instagram, and then we will move toward the post and delete one of them. Go to your profile and check the post. So this is the post which we upload, and you see that there is a multiple photos and four photos in this post. So click on the three dot and then click on the edit. So first we will confirm this, that is the four photos in this post. Let I want to delete this picture, so you see the delete icon at the left top and then click on the delete. So once you click on it, this photo will be deleted, and then click on the save to save the changes. So you see that only three photos are remaining. So this is the simple way to delete one photo from multiple photos. And if this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.